Something I've learned from my travels is the right travel gear can really enhance your trip. But if you're trying to keep your luggage light, that gear can't be too big. So in this video, I'm sharing 9 tiny travel essentials you can get on Amazon. They're all small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, and they're just in time for Prime Day. Let's dive in. One of the things in my travel setup I recently found a small, lightweight replacement for was my sunglasses. I swapped my normal pair of Ray-Bans for this folding set, and it totally changed how I pack. But I will say these are not cheap, especially if you're only gonna use them for travel. So I found an inexpensive dupe on Amazon that I am very impressed with. These are by GMK ATI, and for the price, they're a really easy win. They fold at the bridge and at the temples, so they collapse down small enough to disappear in that top pocket of your backpack. They also come with this little case. The lenses are polarized with full UV 400 protection, and there's no tiny screw to strip or lose because the hinge is screw-free. The case keeps them from getting scratched up or rattling around in your bag. If you've never tried folding sunglasses, I think you're gonna be surprised by how much space and hassle they save. Last year, the day we flew into Portugal, the country had rolling power outages. We ended up eating dinner by candlelight and going to bed that night, basically having burned through most of our phone battery, and the power was still out. What I wish we'd had on us was a tiny flashlight, something that could just live in your bag and you forget about until you need it. This little guy is the Rovivon A8. It's about the size of your pinky. It's 2.5 inches long, weighs around half an ounce. But this little thing throws up to 650 lumens, which is seriously bright. It charges with USB-C, so it runs off the same cables you're already packing. If you click it quickly 5 times, it locks so it won't switch on and drain the battery in your bag. And it's got a soft side light for reading in the dark without blinding everyone around you. For something this small, it's a lot of peace of mind. I also like that it comes with a clip, so you could clip it to a hat or something like that if you needed it. By the way, there's still 2 days of Prime Day left, and every day during the event, my team and I are sending emails with the best travel gear deals we're finding. You might have missed the first couple, but there's still time. You can sign up in the link down in the description box below. Now, as I've been trying to lighten my load in my travel setup, one thing in my toiletry kit that just kept bothering me was the size and weight of my beard trimmer. My old Philips trimmer weighs over a pound by itself, and it's got this bulky charger to go with it. So I swapped to the Philips One Blade. It's way smaller, it's way lighter, and it's a hybrid that trims, edges, and shaves at any length. The blade is replaceable, and you can run it wet or dry. And here's the part that sold me as I was kind of making this decision for my kit. With this little adapter, it charges over USB-C. So now my trimmer runs off the same cable as everything else. One less weird cord to pack. We're team packing cubes around here, and these are the ones that I've been traveling with, the Peak Design Ultralight. They are dead simple, and I think that's part of why I love them. The fabric is a lightweight TerraShell 50D recycled nylon. They're weatherproof, they have taped seams, and a lifetime warranty. A full 3-piece set of these weighs under 100 grams, which is lighter than a single cube from most other brands. There's no separate compression zipper. It's one U-zip, and then when you close it, you can kind of press the air out by hand through the airtight seal. Done right, it almost creates kind of a vacuum effect. It has fewer features, fewer moving parts, and you still get real compression. I used these for several weeks as part of my dream one-bag travel setup, and I love them. The one trade-off is there's no clean, dirty divider. That's a feature that I really like, and zipping down the middle means you pack a little differently than you might with other cubes. But if you want legitimate compression in a high-quality, durable cube without spending a fortune, look no further. These run from 15 bucks for the smallest to up to $29.95 for the medium cube. A travel essential that lives in my tech pouch is a couple of little USB adapters, USB-C to USB-A and USB-A back to USB-C. Here's why. Not every outlet has caught up to USB-C yet. The airport gate, the older airplane seat, the hotel nightstand from 2009. These tiny adapters mean whatever you find, you can plug into it. Now, these little guys do something extra. They're also data blockers. That means when you plug into a random public charging port, a data blocker cuts the data pins, so only power gets through. No chance of a sketchy port pulling info off your phone. They still fast charge, they're metal, so they hold up, and they cost very, very little. This is an easy thing to just keep in your bag or tech pouch. Now, those adapters handle the hardware side of keeping your data safe, but what about the software side? Every airport, hotel, and cafe Wi-Fi that you connect your device to is basically an open door. And a travel essential that I recommend all travelers have is a good VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection and lets you choose where it looks like you're browsing from. My VPN of choice is Surfshark, and I've been using it for years before they were ever a sponsor. Surfshark encrypts your connection on public Wi-Fi, so things like checking your bank account or logging into email aren't a risk. If your bank ever flags a foreign login, you just make it look like you're still at home. And if your favorite shows disappear because you left the country, you could switch your location and keep on streaming. Now, one feature that's especially useful for travelers is alternative ID. Surfshark generates a separate online identity, proxy email, even an alternative phone number. So when some random booking site wants your personal info, you give them the generated one instead. Your real details never leave your pocket. And you can use Surfshark on unlimited devices. My wife and I have it on all our phones, all our laptops, under one account. Head to surfshark.com/awaytogether for 4 extra months free on a 2-year plan. Big thanks to Surfshark for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I am constantly losing or misplacing my wallet. At home, that's pretty annoying. My wife laughs at me every day. When you're traveling, it's a full-blown nightmare. So this next one isn't just helping my travel life, it's helping my regular life. It's the Epica Taggy Slim Finder Card. Most of you probably know Epica for their travel adapters, which we've recommended for years, but they've been expanding into other useful travel tech, and this is one of them. It's a credit card size tracker, not even 1/10 of an inch thick, so it slips into a wallet, a passport case, or any of your bags with no added bulk. It's Apple Find My certified, so you can locate it or play a sound right in Find My. No extra app needed, and no charging either. The battery lasts 6 to 8 years, and it's IP67 water and dust resistant. I just keep one of these things in my wallet now. If you travel with a few devices to charge, a simple 3-in-1 charging station cuts down the cords and the clutter. This 3-in-1 by Kushu has dedicated spots for your phone, your watch, and your AirPods, all from one cable. Best of all, it folds down extremely compact. So when you're not using it, it packs small and takes up almost no space. Okay, even as someone who films travel as part of my job, I've pulled way back on bringing a big camera. Phone cameras have just gotten so good that I'm doing more and more from my phone, using apps like Kino and Blackmagic, and that alone has let me stop hauling a heavy camera rig around. The one thing I still need sometimes is an ND filter, which is basically sunglasses for your camera lens. It cuts the light so your shots don't blow out in the bright sun and your motion looks smoother. But I didn't want some huge bulky rig that takes 20 minutes to set up because that just drives me insane. So I went with this Moment case that has a little ND filter that can slide right on and clip into place. You can turn the dial to set how dark you want it, anywhere from 2 stops to 5. Super easy to attach, easy to remove, and then I just pocket my phone. It's fast, it's light, it's small, and it's easy. Now, one thing to know, the filter is model specific, so grab the case and the filter that match your exact phone. Last but not least, running out of storage on your phone or your laptop while you're away really sucks. But nobody wants to haul a big hard drive around. So check out this Samsung portable SSD. It's not much bigger than those little data blockers, and it is incredibly light. And because it's a solid state drive, there's no moving parts, and it's fast. You just plug this in via USB-C, and you can dump huge video files onto it in seconds. It's built for travel. The aluminum body shrugs off drops and your files are locked down with hardware encryption. So if you lose it, nobody's getting in. For backing up your phone for footage on the road, it's tiny, it's tough, and it just works. That's 9 tiny travel essentials to help you go smaller and lighter on your next trip. If any of these look right for you, please consider using the links down below. And if you want to see the full kit a lot of these live in, check out my dream one bag travel setup right here. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.